If Microsoft Edge is showing the message an error has occurred, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you 2 simple fixes you can try right away. These steps are quick, safe, and can often solve common browser issues caused by corrupted cache, cookies, or broken app files. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get straight into it. First, open Microsoft Edge and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, you want to clear the cookies and cached files, because old or damaged browsing data can sometimes trigger this error message. Make sure the time range is set the way you want, and then select Cookies and Other Site Data, plus Cached Images and Files. If you want to fully refresh the browser, you can also clear any other items you no longer need. Once you've made your selections, click Clear Now. After that, give Edge a moment to finish removing the data, then close the browser and open it again to see if the issue is fixed. If you're still seeing the same error, the next step is to repair Microsoft Edge through your Windows settings. To do that, press the Windows key and I together to open Settings. In the Settings window, click Apps, then choose Installed Apps. Now use the search bar and type Edge. When Microsoft Edge appears in the list, click the 3 dots next to it and choose Modify. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes. After that, you should see a Repair option. Select Repair and let Windows start the repair process. This can fix missing or damaged program files without removing your browser data in most cases. Once the repair is complete, reopen Microsoft Edge and test it again. In many cases, this is enough to stop the error and get the browser working normally again. If the problem came from a corrupted cache or a damaged installation, these steps should make a big difference. If this video helped you fix Microsoft Edge, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.